This one, and this one are the AI-generated UGC videos that we've been using in our Facebook ads since February for our clients. We've already achieved a consistent 2x to 3x return on investment from these UGC ads. Initially, we started with a daily budget of just $30 to $40, and now we're spending $100 per day, while maintaining that strong 3x return. It's been working really well. If I show you the cost per result of our ads, you'll see it's just $2 to $3. We're spending daily, and that number you see in INR converts to about $2 to $3. In some cases, when running feed ads, we spend a bit more. But for UGC video ads on Reels, we're spending less, around $1.50 to $2.50, sometimes even less than $3. This is the great thing about UGC ads. They've been working really well since February. In March and April, they've performed exceptionally well, consistently getting a 3x return. In this video, I'll show you how you can create UGC videos for your products, whether you're dropshipping, running an e-commerce store, or any other type of business. UGC ads can be incredibly helpful for both digital and physical products, as well as affiliate marketing. We're going to use TopView AI to create our UGC video ads. One special feature in TopView AI is called Product Avatar, which you can literally use to showcase your product in UGC, the character in your video ads. I really love this feature. Previously, we used other AI tools for generating UGC video ads, but we shifted to TopView AI because it offers more features, not just Product Avatar AI. This tutorial will give you everything you need to know about creating high-converting UGC ads, from scripting to optimizing for conversions. Whether you're selling a dropshipping product, doing affiliate marketing, or running an e-commerce business, these UGC ad tips and this tutorial will help you. Now let's get started with TopView AI. So, what is TopView AI? TopView AI is one of the top AI video generation tools available right now. It helps you create AI-generated videos for marketing and advertising purposes. Whether you're running Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or any type of promotional campaign, TopView AI makes the process super easy. It's widely used in affiliate marketing, e-commerce, DTC brands, and even AI live streams. But that's not all. You can also use it for voice generation, AI image creation, and much more. Here's a quick example. Using Product Avatar AI from TopView, you can upload a product image, and it will automatically place that product in the hands of an AI character, creating a complete promotional video for you in minutes. These kinds of videos usually cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars if you hire freelancers or video editors. But with TopView AI, you can do it in just a few minutes. It's incredibly powerful and currently one of the best AI tools for creating engaging ad content, perfect for advertising, affiliate marketing, or other video needs. So that's the basic introduction. In this video, I'll also show you what else you can do with TopView AI. Now let's jump in. To sign up, you'll find the link in the description or the comment section of this video. After signing up, you'll either see the sign-in option or be taken straight to your dashboard. Since I already have an account, I just click on my dashboard here. Now I'll log in by clicking Continue with Google, and I'll walk you through a full demo of how TopView AI works. So you can see, I'm now on the TopView AI dashboard. Right here at the top, you'll notice the first option. Create marketing videos from links or materials. This means you can simply paste a product link from Amazon, Shopify, TikTok, or any other site, and TopView AI will automatically generate a video for that product. It takes just a minute to get your video ready. Or, if you already have files, you can upload them directly instead. Super flexible. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see some of the projects I've already created. Here's one I made for a product we're promoting called the Derma Roller. You can see the video here.
Struggling with acne scars, large pores, or dull skin, a derma roller might be the solution you've been looking for. It boosts collagen, improves skin texture, and helps your skincare products absorb better. Just a few minutes a week can lead to visibly smoother, glowing skin. Safe, effective, affordable. Try the derma roller today and feel the difference.
And the image used in this video was also AI generated. That's right, TopView automatically added the product into the AI characters and to create this final output. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create the same type of video. TopView offers thousands of AI avatars you can choose from. You can find everything you create is saved right here in the Assets section. You also get access to your brand kit, where you can customize your brand elements like logos, colors, and fonts. And yes, you can even create your own avatar using the Create Avatar option. Now let's move on to creating videos. There are options like AI marketing video, video avatars, product demo videos, and full AI video shoots. But today, we're going to focus on something special, Product Avatar AI, a new feature that's super cool and very powerful. So let's go back to the dashboard. And from here, I'll show you how to create your first Product Avatar AI video. Let's get started. Now I just click on Product Avatar AI. You can see there are so many characters available here. If you use the premium plan, you get access to even more characters. Right now, I already have access to a lot of them. So many that I can't even count. There might be more than 300, maybe 500, or even 1000 characters. Next, I need to pick a product category that's relevant to the product I'm going to promote. Before creating any video, it's important to understand what product you're promoting. In my case, the product is rosemary oil for hair fall control and hair growth. So I go through the categories and try to find something that matches. For example, I first check the vitamins and supplements section, but that doesn't really fit the product. Then I try the perfume category. Since rosemary oil bottles are usually similar in size to perfume bottles, this might be a good match. I also look at the beauty and personal care section to see if there's anything that fits better. Let me show you the image I've already generated. This is a 100 milliliters bottle of rosemary oil, labeled Rosemero with the text 100% pure rosemary oil for hair growth and hair fall control. I created this image using ChatGPT. I simply asked it to generate a prompt, then used that prompt to create the product image. Now, I need to find a character holding a product that matches the size. It should be a small bottle that fits naturally in the AI character's hand so the final video looks clean and realistic. I checked drinkware, but most options there are too large. They won't fit well in the hand and may not look natural. Since the character has to hold the product properly for the video to be believable, I go back and check vitamins and supplements again to see if I can find a better option. I spot one that looks closer to the size I want, but still not small enough. Then I return to the perfume section again, hoping to find something that matches better. Still no luck. Finally, I try the beverages section, but again, most of those are too big. Now I go back to beauty and personal care to try again. So after checking different characters, I select this one. You can also modify the look by clicking on Modify Look. From here, you can change the character's gender, appearance, posture, and even use your own face. There's an option called Use My Face, where you can upload your own photo or generate one using AI. Just keep in mind, the stability might not be perfect with a custom face. You can also describe the clothing, hairstyle, and background. All of these can be customized. I'm not going to change these now, but you can experiment and try different combinations. Right now, I'm just showing how to create and run one simple video. This default character works great, but if you want to use your own face, go for it. Upload an image or generate one through AI. It's all possible here. You can also change the avatar's posture by typing a description. This helps the system understand how the character should hold or interact with the product. You can choose between close-up, medium shot, or full-length shot depending on the style you need. There are plenty of features and customization options available. You can either go with an image-based avatar like the one shown here, or, as I mentioned, use your own face and set up your custom background, clothing, hairstyle, etc. Doing this only takes 1 credit, which is really efficient. Now, back to the avatar, I select this one because it feels best suited for the product. I also explore a few other options that might work just as well. For example, this one here looks great. It has a clean appearance and strong hairline, which fits the theme of our product. So I decided to go with this one instead. It looks slightly better and fits the overall style I'm aiming for. Since the product is targeting a male audience, I chose a male character. If your product targets females, you can select a female character instead. It's all about matching the avatar to your audience. So now I replace it with my product image. I click on Replace with my product image. Then I upload the product image that I generated using ChatGPT. To do that, I go to ChatGPT, download the image, and come back here to TopView. Now I click again on Replace with my product image and upload the image file. As soon as I upload it, the system starts removing the background automatically. I wait a few moments while the background gets removed. Once the background is removed, I need to adjust the image. First, I bring the image into position. Then I adjust the angle by rotating it slightly to match the hand posture. Next, I zoom the image to make sure the size fits naturally in the character's hand. I drag it slightly down to align it better. I keep checking the size and position until it looks natural. It's important to get this part right. If the product is too small or not properly aligned, it will look off, like the hand is too big or the object is floating. Once I'm happy with the positioning, I click on Confirm Product Position. Now the AI starts merging the product with the avatar. This takes a little time. You'll see a progress bar. It starts processing and generates 3 different versions of the video. Now I wait for this process to complete so I can choose the best version from the options provided. So now the images are generated. From here, I need to choose the perfect one. I look through the options. This first one looks great. The second one is also good. Both of them look quite similar. But if I check the third one, I notice it has a cap added on top of the bottle. That extra detail makes it look more realistic. So I go with the third one. I think it looks the best. Now, one important thing, you should always go with Pro mode, not Light mode. If you use Light mode, the character's movements will repeat every 5 seconds, which doesn't look natural in a video. In Pro mode, the movement flows smoothly. To access Pro mode, you need a subscription, but don't worry, I'll explain the pricing and available discounts at the end of this video. So now I click on Image to Video Avatar. This step uses 10 credits, and the AI starts animating the video from the selected image. The progress begins, and as you can see, it's currently at 2%. I wait here until the animation completes. It usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes even less. Once the animation is done, we get to preview the final video. At this point, I also need a script for the video. It should be short and to the point, ideally under 15 to 20 seconds. That makes it perfect for Facebook ads and ensures the loop plays smoothly without feeling repetitive. So while the video is generating, I start creating a short script to go with it. So finally, you can see that the image to video avatar is created. Now I play the video to preview it.
I am TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
I think the video looks great. The movement is smooth, and overall it's really awesome. But there is one issue, the voiceover. It sounds too robotic and clearly AI generated. So I decided to replace it with a more soothing and natural voiceover. But first I need to use a script for the video. To do that, I click on Use My Script. Now for our video voiceover, I paste the script here in the input box. You can also import an audio file if you already have one, maybe from tools like 11 Labs or any other voice generator. If you don't have your own audio, you can use one of the available AI voices. You'll see a section here called AI Voice, where you can preview and pick a voice you like. Since my product is targeted toward a male audience, I select a male voice. I scroll through the available voices and listen to a few samples to find one that sounds more natural and pleasant. You also get the option to clone your own voice. If you have already created a custom voice model, you can use that here too. But for now, I just go with the public male voice that fits the tone. So this is Charles' voice.
Welcome to TopView AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you...
Let me play a few samples for advertising. Let's try this one. Ryan.
Welcome to TopView AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling video.
I have tried other voices, but I think Ryan's voice is good to go. It sounds great, clean, and professional. So I select this voice. Now I click on Confirm. After that, I select the subtitle option. I click on Subtitle, and from the available styles, I choose the one that fits best. I select this one, then click Confirm. Next, I click on Generate. It takes 1 credit to generate the video. I choose 1080p resolution, and I make sure the watermark is turned off. Now I name the project something like Rosemero UGC and click on Export. Once it finishes exporting, I'll be able to preview the final video, download it, and use it directly in my ads. Now I wait a few moments for the final video to be generated. Once it's done, I'll play it and show you how the output looks. After that, I'll also walk you through some other features available inside TopView and explain the pricing options. Okay, so you can see the video is now done. It has been generated, the animation is finalized, and we now have our video ready. I'm going to play the video for you, and after that, we'll download it. Let me play it now.
Are you tired of watching more hair in your hands than on your head? Hair loss can be frustrating, but now there's a natural solution. Introducing Rosemero 100% pure rosemary oil, specially crafted to support hair growth and control hair loss from the root. No chemicals, just pure, powerful results. Check it out now and start your hair revival today.
So, now that you've seen the video, I'm going to download it. Just click on Download. You can now use this video as an ad on Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform. We are done with that part. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I'll show you a few more features inside TopView. If you go to the dashboard, you'll see that we can also create avatar marketing videos. You can clone your avatar and make it speak even without showcasing a product. You can also create various marketing videos. If you're promoting something, this is really useful. You can create product shots if you want to highlight your product, and you can also use the batch link to video feature. This allows you to generate multiple videos up to 3,000 just by providing a few links. There are also photo avatar videos, AI-generated images, AI videos, and AI voiceovers. You can do a lot with this platform. There are tons of templates available too, including product avatar templates and video templates. Now, let's talk about the pricing. There is a special offer going on right now. You can get up to 60% off with an annual payment coupon. If we go to the pricing section, you can see that you can get started for free. The free plan gives you 10 credits per month, 6 video previews monthly, and access to 1 custom avatar and much more. Then there's the $9.90 starter plan, which I personally use. With this, you get 600 credits per year, unlimited video previews, access to 500 plus avatars and voices, and much more. The $44.90 business plan gives you 3,000 credits annually, unlimited previews, and access to all features. If you're running a larger business, you can go with the enterprise plan, for which you'll need to contact them directly. There's also a monthly option, $19 for starter and $75 for business, but I wouldn't recommend that. The annual plan is much more cost-effective as you get a promotional coupon. After applying the coupon, the starter plan becomes $9.90 and the business plan $44.40, which is much cheaper than the usual price. You can also scroll down the pricing page to compare all features across the plans. If you need any help, their support team is available. So, these are some of the key things I wanted to show you. You can do so much with TopView, generate AI images, voiceovers, create avatars, and build videos that help in marketing and sales. We've actually been using it for our clients and have seen great results. We've increased our ad budget because of the performance of UGC videos, especially product avatar videos, and we plan to scale further. I highly recommend you try it out too. There are many tools in the market, but we personally shifted from Captions AI to TopView because it gave us better results. You'll find the link to TopView in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it out. You can create a free account and start using it without paying anything upfront. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.